Hi everyone, Jen here from Rosie's Workshop. So a common question we get asked is what makes a Rosie a Rosie? Well, today I'd like to talk about the quality that goes into each and every one of our products. So on display today we have our clarinet instrument lamp. Now let's talk about what Rosie does first. First of all, we use brand new clarinets. They're factory rejects or damaged returns, and we get the beautiful piece of a new instrument, but we didn't destroy something that was going to get played. Then what we also do is we have our own custom chord patterns that go into each piece. All of our electrical that goes into every light is component UL certified pieces. So, and our philosophy is if we're going to see a chord, let's have it look pretty. So we have our heavy duty custom chord. We have the heavy duty chrome base, for example, here on our clarinet lamp. We have a nice looking lampshade. And then let's actually show you the lamp making component, which is all of the pieces going up through the harp and the finial on top. Beautiful, top of the line, three-way switch. You can read light a room with them, and this is heavy-duty chrome-plated brass. You're not going to find the quality of this anywhere else but at Rosie's. But let's talk about our competitors, and you can see the difference. So other people do make instrument lamps out there. This is an example of a competitive piece. Now, this artist used a used clarinet that's plastic. It's not the same quality of the instrument going into the piece. The base they used was standard hobby-making lamp making bases, and it doesn't have that same fit, finish, and feel that a Rosie does. They used a standard electrical cord. This was brand new, but it's just a standard cord. You can see it got kinked up along the way of the process. And then they used just standard lamp making parts going into it, hobby or something you can find on Amazon. It doesn't have the same fit and finish that a Rosie does. We are using top of the line components. Please be careful out there. There are other artists that make their own lamps. If you are going to buy a lamp, please make sure you find one that has brand new UL component electrical parts going into it for the safety of your household. There are some artists out there who reuse wiring and old wiring to put in the lamps, and that's not safe for your home, and we always want to be safety first. Well, thank you for checking in here with us at Rosie's Workshop, and we hope to see you soon.